Hi friends, welcome. What's this Tkinter window? There are 4 buttons, so using these buttons we can move this label or any other widget, we can place it there and move it in different directions. In the earlier video we have seen how we have used 2 buttons, this left and right, and moved this particular label. Now we'll start from there and we'll move by using this up direction and down direction. These 2 buttons we have added now and we'll learn from this. Note that here we are using the place layout. So X and Y coordinates we are changing to move the widget in different directions. We'll learn all about this. We'll start from here. This is where we left in our previous tutorial. So that link you will get it in the description and here also you will get it. So just see that one, there's 2 buttons, and let's just run it once and see where we left it. Here it is. So the left direction and the right direction we can move the label. Now we'll add a up and down button and use that one. So let me just close this, and what first I will do is I will go here, put a another variable I will take it. So I'll give it x1 then y1, because y1 is the vertical now we will add. So I am putting it as 100. Now when the label is there, this is where it is. So I am placing it again y1. It will hold the value of 100 initially. So x1 y1 value, whatever the variable I have set it, 210 and 100, this label will be placed there. Now let's just take and add 2 more buttons. So we'll take it here, paste it 1 button, 1 more button. This will give it as name as V3. Let me just move it up a bit. Yeah, B3. Now this will tell it up direction. Now here also the parameter whatever we will pass it is up, because that will be the condition we'll check. So x is equal to, now let me just put it as 150 and y is at the little up. So I'll say 170. Okay, now this will be B3. Now let's come B4, the down arrow, down button, which will move the label in the down direction, B4. So up, here I will say down. Now here the variable I will pass it is also down. So this is when this button is clicked, this down parameter will be passed, this variable will be passed to the function. Now here x is, because it will keep it in the same horizontal gap, so we'll keep it as 150, and here 170, this will move it to 220. So it will be slightly down, will be below. So let's just save this and see how the layout looks. Yeah, you can see it, up and down is here, left and right is here. Now left and right will work, but up and down won't work because we have not programmed it anything. Or you can give slightly, you can bring it down also, or move it up. So that is just a layout. You can keep on increasing and decreasing. Why I will take it 230, so it will give me slightly more gap. So I am coming down a bit. Let's just see this. Yeah. So here slight gap is there. Now let's write the code inside the function. So move it in different directions. You can see 2 buttons B3, B4, one passes up and one passes down. So let's come up here. Yeah. Here one more elif. Okay, before that you can see here global I have given y1 also. Earlier it was only x1, now y1, because both these values we are taking it here, 210 and 100. So elif, now the direction equal to, this is a comparison, not a single 2 equal to, so it's a comparison, is so up. If it is up, then the y value at the top is 0. So y value keep on decreasing. So we'll minus the step value. So y1 equal to y1 minus 10. 10 is the step value, or the jump, it will go up. Similarly, let's just come to the next line. We'll write one more elif condition. Direction equal to down. Now what will happen if this button, that means the 4th button, here it is, the 4th button, this will pass, this button is clicked, that means. So this is down, then y1, our y value should increase, so the label will go down. So the y1 equal to y1 plus 10 is the step value. This 10 everywhere we are moving it by a step of 10, 10, 10. You can take it as a variable also and give a slider or anything where the user wants it and if move fast or move slow, jump should be more jump or less jump. You can manage that one. We are just giving it directly the value 10 to keep it simple. So that's also why we will take the when a down is placed, y value will keep on increasing and this line will place it on a new location. But here I have to make it 100. I have to change it to y1. So now the new value of y or y1 value will be taken and the label is placed there. You can see here label is removed here. Okay, L2 dot place forget means the label is removed. Now here then the x or y based on the left, right, up or down, the value of either x1 or y1 is recalculated. Then this is placed in the new position with taking the new value of x1 and y1. So let me save this and run it once. Here it is. So you can see now left fine, right, this is already we have seen. Now let's go up. So 10 10 position, it is up, it is moving. Again I am placing the down, so it is coming down. So I can move it in again left and right direction. That's all friends. Hope you have a good learning experience and you have understood the concept. So my request is please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified as and when we are adding new tutorials, and we are frequently doing that also. And if you have any doubts, suggestions, questions, use the comment section below to post it. Please share this with your friends and thank you for watching.